All right, guys, what's going on? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the smart menu template, which is amazing. You will never miss a lead. People will know how to find your products, your services, no questions unanswered. It's really cool. And it increases your engagement by a lot. So you're going to grab the link, okay, that's in the description. Grab that link. And when you paste that link into your URL, you're going to get this information here. So go ahead and select a page. Now, if you don't have an account created, then you're just going to sign into your Facebook, create an account, find your business name. It's very, very simple, very easy, just kind of next steps. It's easier to install your templates from the desktop than it is the a smartphone. Okay, so just a little heads up there. Again, just like we did on a mobile device, these fields, these are called custom fields, and some of them are bot fields, but these are very important. Okay, so we're gonna grab some information here. So let's grab the booking link. Again, if you're using Vagaro or Boulevard or Google Calendar, whatever you're using, or if you're using Go High Level, right? Like if you're on our Go High Level account, which is called Spotimate, again, that's just $27 a month as well. It's pretty awesome. It's an AI CRM. It's set up for you. It kind of does it all for you. So maybe you're using that. You would just go and grab your calendar link and you would paste it here in your booking URL, hit next, go and grab your address, okay? And I'm going to grab a real address just so you can see, in our examples. So it's not just information that's not really populating. So I'm going to grab that link there, paste in the address, put in your suite number, put in everything there. Business phone ID. So again, we're going to use this ideal image here. Paste that in, get the +1, make sure your +1 is in there. First service name. Now we're going to offer 3 different services, but if you only offer 1 or 2, that's fine. You can offer up to 3. So again, we're going to do Botox for our first service. The Google URL. So go to Google, find your business name. Okay. And then hit this share link in Google, find your name, click that share link, copy that link. Okay. And you're going to paste that link in your Google URL. All right. Second service name, which in this example, we're going to do lip fillers, but you actually put in a second service that you want people to browse and see before and afters and find more information about while they're browsing in your Instagram or your Facebook DMs where they're sending you messages. Third service, we are doing laser hair removal in this scenario. Now, you don't have to, you don't have to go more than 1, but you can. And I'll even show you how to do more than 3, but I don't recommend going too crazy. All right. So here you go. You can see we have all of our custom fields here filled out. These are our bot fields, actually. Okay, now we can go and view the template and we're good to go. Let me refresh this page because I just uninstalled it so I can show you guys. Now, next thing we're going to do is we're going to click into the template. Now, this is kind of like, think of this as Google Drive. ManyChat is, in terms of folders, like Google Drive. You got this folder inside of there, and there's some items in there, and you got a folder in there with some items. Think of it that way. Okay, so right here, we're going to go and actually dig out the AI automation mafia smart menu. Okay, so this is what we want. Okay, so we are going to click these 3 dots, and we're going to select Move To and select My Automations, the very top level. Okay. And now when we go to My Automations here, we can see that Smart Menu is right in the front where we want it. And we can go and delete this folder because there's nothing in it. We moved out all the important stuff. So now if we click into Smart Menu, we have Facebook and Instagram. Okay, we want to keep those separate. So we click Instagram. Now, inside of here is where it gets fun. Okay, fun and exciting. So we have our before and afters. We have our service menu. We have our video testimonials. If you have a lot of you guys on your Instagrams, you have, oh, come with me as I visit this spa. Oh, we walked in and they did my, you have those videos. Those work great inside of your DMs. People like to see other people coming to you and looking and see if they like you. And then we have our smart menu. So this is number one. Okay. So smart menu is number one. So let's click into here. And we can see I have some placeholders here. You're going to swap this out. You'll swap out whatever you want. You can keep them. You can, but it would make more sense if your before and afters, for example, are your before and afters in your video testimonial. Maybe the cover image is one of your someone you chose. But you might want to keep the reviews, or these are just made in Canva, something very simple. Book appointment, you might want to use an image of just you and, maybe you're with someone or your front desk helping someone. That image would go well there. Okay. So here's what we want to do. Let's click Edit Automation right here at the top right. So from a high level, let's just look at this from a high level. When someone comes into this service right on our Instagram and inside of our social media or our Facebook as well, they're going to get greeted with these: book appointment, services, before and after video testimonials. From there, let me just zoom in here. If we click this Learn More button, it takes us down to the build out of the service menu. If we click the before and after, if they click the before and afters button here, it takes them to the build out of our before and afters on Instagram, and same as the video testimonials, play testimonials, that takes us directly to our IG video testimonials. Okay. So let's see this from a high level. Okay. So let's preview this. Now, as you'll see, I have some previews. Actually, they did not copy over. You will have these. I'll ensure that your copy has the keyword set up to where you can preview them. Actually, give me a second. We'll make some magic real quick. Okay, so you can see that right here we have these message contains, right? So what this does is I can send any word or phrase to actually activate this flow. This is called a flow. Okay, so this is a smart menu flow. And what I put together is hashtag menu. So if I send that to my Instagram, then I will get this flow. So let me show you what that looks like. Now you can also go up here to the preview button here. And if I hit preview, I'll get a nice little window that pops up here that shows me what it's going to look like when people browse my Instagram. Okay. So if they click learn more, this will take them to a different node. This here is called a node. It'll take them to a different node, which you can't preview here. However, if we send ourselves right here, this user sends a message, right? So if I send myself this hashtag menu, then we'll see it. Now let me show you what that looks like. Okay, and this is a perfect time to show you guys how to connect your Facebook and Instagram. So your Instagram may be connected, or I'm sorry, your Facebook might be connected, but your Instagram may not be. So we go to settings and go to Instagram, and we see we don't have a channel selected. So in order to preview, let's go ahead and connect this. So we went to settings, do that again for your settings. And then right here in channels, you can see we got TikTok, WhatsApp, Messenger. So let's click Instagram and hit connect. And now let's click that, and we should see so this is my personal page. So my business is already connected. I'm going to connect my personal here. So find your business page there. Okay. And we're going to do for myself, and you can click a bunch of stuff here. Okay. Do that. You can select this stuff or you can skip it. Actually use all of this, but I don't want to. I use all of these, but we're not going to do that right now. All right. Okay. So we'll just do that. All right. Perfect. So now that Instagram is connected, so I can send myself a message. All right, let's do that. Okay, so you're actually going to want to have maybe 2 accounts, or use your husband or wife's account, because you can't send yourself messages in Instagram, right? So I'm logged into one of my other accounts, and I'm going to go and send myself a message. So let's send menu, and just so you're not lost, let's go right here into Instagram, and we can see inside of this flow, if we send ourselves this message, we should get this menu here. So let's click menu, and here we go. There we go. So we can see, this is what other people will see, okay, when they're browsing. Okay, so we can book an appointment. So if I click book an appointment, that'll take the person to the calendar. If they click services, this will take them to those services that we set up. Okay. And we can look at before and afters. Okay. So we got Botox before and afters. We can look at lip filler before and afters. And you're going to set this stuff up. Okay, guys? You're going to put in whatever your before and afters are. And I'll show you how to do that in the next video. Okay, so we can see I can book the appointment, and that'll take me to the calendar there. Or we can click main menu, and that'll take the person back to the beginning, just in case they wanted to look at maybe video testimonials. Okay, so then they could look at Molly's weight loss journey, Jessica's transformation. And I'll show you in the next video how to put the before and afters in here, and load it up with videos as well. Okay, so we had a little crashy there, didn't we? So we can see that I can play the videos. So if this is one of those fun, like, come with me as I go to whatever, right? And no one has a reason to leave. They can look at all your transformations, look at your work, look at your reviews. So if we hit browse reviews, this is why we put that Google URL in, right? So this takes you direct. This takes the person directly to your Google page. So address, they can see your reviews and everything, and they can just navigate and see how far away you are from it. Okay. So there's that. All right. So in the next video, we're going to go through and kind of build things out a little more and go into a little bit more detail so we can begin to modify it. See you in the next video.